you doing there, mister? That's the sand. We're gonna wash it off. You run so fast. Go to Daddy. Go. What is Daddy doing? You like the beach, Nak? What is this, love? Oh, it's another sand dollar, but it's an old one. We've seen a lot of the live ones.
Oh, Mommy, look.
Yeah, those are the live ones. They're color purple. Yank. What are you doing, Jackson? Yeah. Ball. What is that? But this way. Go to Daddy, go. Let's go to Daddy. Say hi to Daddy. Be careful. Say hi to Daddy. Where is Daddy in the melody? He's running. Duh. Uy. What are you guys doing? Be careful. Here's the sun. What is that? No. What is that? No. Enjoying the sand, Jackson. Don't put it in your mouth, okay? It's yuck yuck. Ew. Yuck yuck. We're gonna wash it off later, okay?